Trying to bridge your crypto gains from the Solana blockchain to your Robinhood account. Let's do it. First, open your Phantom wallet and make sure you have the Solana, or SOL, you want to withdraw selected. Before you proceed, quickly check the current price of SOL to make sure you're happy with the exchange rate. This is crucial for knowing what to expect in your Robinhood account. Next, head over to your Robinhood account and tap the Crypto tab. Find the option to receive cryptocurrency, usually a button that says receive or a similar phrase. Robinhood will then display your unique Solana address as well as a QR code. Copy this Solana wallet address. This is where you'll send your SOL from Phantom. Back in your Phantom wallet, hit the send button. Paste the Robinhood Solana address you just copied into the recipient field. Enter the amount of SOL you wish to withdraw. Always, and I mean always, start with a small test transaction. This helps ensure you've copied the address correctly and avoids any loss. Double-check the recipient address and the amount one last time. Make sure everything is accurate before hitting confirm. Once confirmed, Phantom will process the transaction. Within a few minutes, you should see a notification from Robinhood confirming the deposit. And that's it, your SOL is now in your Robinhood account, ready for trading or holding. Now you can do the full transaction. Remember to always double-check the address and amount before completing any transaction.